Right, welcome back to another video. We've got a special package from Mr. Bodykits up at Slacks Creek. Let's see what we got. So yeah, I've been wanting this item for a little while now. Finally got it. Got a few mates that have Mr. Bodykits stuff. Yeah, let's see what we got. Alright, we've got Ducktail spoiler for the VESS. There's the 2021 calendar that comes included with every purchase. I'm not sure when they're not going to stop doing that. So let's open it up even more. Wow, this is actually really nice looking, very high quality. Wow, this is actually really nice quality. It's actually really hard. So that's it there. So we're going to get rid of that stock spoiler. Comes with the bolts that go in the original position of the spoiler. So yeah, let's go put it in. It's the 2021 calendar that came included. Oh, that's nice. VF Series 2 FG. This is a really nice calendar. That's a nice ute. But yeah, these guys make all sort of body kit parts for whatever car you may have. Ford or Holden, they've surely got something. They have a little bit of Subaru stuff. But yeah, thanks for my calendar, guys. I love it.